Appu has the largest library of rhymes and songs in the world, in English and many other languages.
I grow in climate humid and warm. Tropical rainforests I adorn. I come in variations ever so many. I may be large or tiny as a penny. There is no family as big as mine. My diversity will blow your mind. In the plant kingdom, the smallest are my seeds. Some are tiny as dust particles indeed. I have a bilateral symmetry. Into two equal parts you can divide me. Some of my species have no leaves. Some have aerial roots, some grow on trees. Some cannot make their own food. They are fed by fungi living in their roots. Some are known to own a very long life. For even 100 years they can survive. I'm used to make medicines and perfume. As a spice I am consumed. The vanilla with the flavor so fine is one of my species that grows on vines. To pollinate I have special ways. On me are markings resembling a face that remind you of a monkey or a bee. Can you identify me? You're the orchid. We know clearly. So exquisite. We love you dearly.
Like and share this video. Also, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button for more musical fun.